Hello and welcome to hubgrass meditation. Today I have a 5-minute body scan meditation for you. This is a great little meditation to do if you don't have a lot of time, but you're just feeling a little anxious, a little stressed, and just need to do a quick check-in with yourself and see what's going on. So, because it's quick, we're gonna jump right in. Now go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can be sitting, you can be laying down, as long as you're alert and you're not going to fall asleep. You can rest your hands on your lap, and if it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes. If that's not available to you, just look down towards the tip of your nose or towards the floor. That way you're bringing your lens inwards and not focusing on any distractions around you. When it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes. We're gonna start by taking just a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And one more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to bring our attention to the crown of our head. We're not going to move it in any way, just focusing our attention here. And start to scan that area, just to feel for any tension or worry through that area. We're going to slowly bring our lens down to our muscles in our face, relaxing those muscles through the forehead, all those micro movements around the eyes, slowly moving down towards our cheekbones, down to our mouth, and creating some space between the jaw and unsticking your tongue from the roof of your mouth. We're going to bring our attention down to our shoulders and rolling our shoulders down away from the ears. Trying to release any tension. We all hold so much stress through that area. Bringing our lens to our left arm, down to our forearm, and relaxing every single finger. Now we're going to bring our attention over to our right arm. Again, relaxing that area, relaxing our forearm, and again, relaxing every single finger. Now we'll be focusing on our torso, making sure we're not holding our belly in any area and letting it relax. Now down to our hips and feeling a little heavier in our seat, feeling the earth beneath you and knowing you are supported. We're going to bring our attention to our left thigh, down to our left knee, and relaxing our left shin. Bring your attention down to your left heel, the arch of your left foot, and relaxing every single toe. Again, bringing our attention over to our right thigh, relaxing our right knee, down into our right shin, our right heel, the arch of the foot, and relaxing every single toe. Going to start to deepen our breath, again changing to the breathing pattern of taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. When it feels right to do so, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for a 5-minute body scan meditation. I hope this gave you a small break within your day where you could just relax and let go of some tension. If you like this meditation and would like to see more, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.